What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are doing a room tour. I love room tours, you guys, and if you are new here then I'd highly recommend checking out my previous room tours. The evolution of my room is just, it's just really out there. Now I'm in a new space. I can definitely say like I have been moved in for the last like 2 months. I feel like everything was just done in my new room. I love it and I'm so happy with my new space, and a lot of the stuff from my old room I did bring with me to this room, so I actually love that. But without further ado, I hope you guys enjoy and let's go ahead and get right into this room tour. Okay, so the first thing you see when you walk into my door is this side of my room. This has to be my absolute favorite side of my room. I just feel like it always looks the most put together and I'm obsessed with how it turned out. So I'm going to bring you guys nice up and close, starting off with that mirror. That mirror is from Target. This piece came from my old room and I had to bring it. I didn't know where it should go at first, but I just love how it opens up this corner and this space. Moving right underneath, I have my little drawers, and they are actually sold separately and made separately. They are from Target. They are very similar to the ones IKEA has, and honestly I wish I had a bigger drawer section, something going on, because it's very limited in space inside, which is the only downside. They were very affordable, so I feel like I should have got something a little bit bigger, but honestly I'm glad I didn't, because again, these are from my old room and they work great in the space and nothing else bigger would really fit in here. So I love those drawers. Right here at the top I have this gorgeous marble green little tray, and I thrifted that. I was literally on the hunt for that and I found it while thrifting at Savers. It's still to this day one of my favorite thrift finds, and I just use it as like a perfume tray, and I'll just throw like my keys on there or any of my like things I'm taking out. But I also have my rosary, I have some notes, some fortunes from fortune cookies that I like to keep because I'm like that, and yeah, just random little things. Right next to it I have these 2 books. So they are more like coffee table books, mainly for decor, but they are really interesting. Both of these books are from Home Goods and I loved the cover of this one. I just felt like the blue was such a nice pop. It is Vogue on location, and then underneath I have my personal favorite, Miss Princess Diana. It's almost like a collection of her wardrobe, her looks, and how her style evolved throughout like the time of her life, and really historical moments with the outfits she wore. So I'm obsessed with her and I'm obsessed with everything of her outfits, and this book is my favorite. However, it's not like the most aesthetic cover, so I just kind of keep that one right on top, but I love pulling that one out. It's so fun to look at. This little mirror is from IKEA, but I got it off eBay. I was on the hunt for this guy forever and I had to literally search the highs and lows for this. I have the matching one as well, you'll see later on, but they're from eBay, but they're also from IKEA. So cute, I love the look of them and I'm obsessed. This plant right here, I would love for it to be like a little bit bigger with the leaves kind of going down more. But when I tell you guys the price I paid for this thing, I think I paid like 20 something dollars when it retailed for like over, I think, $170. I got it at Kohl's, which is so random because I hadn't been to a Kohl's in years, and I found this guy on sale. I had to get her because she's literally like perfect for the space. She just comes in like a really cute black sleek little planter, and she's really skinny and she's just cute. She's just like the perfect little pom-pom tree right there. Moving on right here, those prints, you guys, I am searching my emails trying to dig and find where I ordered them from because I cannot find the website that I ordered them off. I think I found them off Pinterest, clicked the website through Pinterest, and then purchased them there. Literally, I'm sure you've seen these like everywhere, but I cannot remember. So I really want to go back and order different ones because I feel like this just isn't my vibe anymore. I feel like I want something a little bit more sophisticated and grown up in here, but I do love the color and I think they're so fun. Those frames, the black frames, are from Joann's. Gorgeous frames. I love them, and I'm taking them into my next future apartment because they're just so big and wonderful. As we're scooting over to this side of my room, that is my closet. I filmed a closet makeover video, so I'm gonna link that here underneath in the description for you guys to check out. And I'm a little too embarrassed to show you what it looks like now because it's the middle of a week, it's a Wednesday, it's chaotic in there already, so we're gonna skip that. But just know I did a whole video on like remodeling it and fixing it up in there because I'm so limited to space. As we approach my bed, nothing has really changed from my old room. I brought my neon sign, which is my absolute favorite piece that I have in this room. It is from Yellow Pop. It's fully customizable. I chose this yellow light, which I kind of regret and wish I chose more of like a white tint, but that's okay. It is a one-of-a-kind piece, and there's so many different fonts Yellow Pop offers, you guys. It is a pretty penny. It is definitely an investment. If you have a small business or a business, a barbershop, nail shop, any type of, even like a coffee shop, they're just so unique. I couldn't recommend them enough. I love mine, and although mine is just for my room, if I had a business, I would definitely purchase one. And moving on to my bed, all my bedding is from either Target, Bed Bath & Beyond, and my cute little bears, you guys. I'm obsessed with these. Some of you guys may know like the brand Jellycat, I believe, but these aren't that. These are literally from the floral section at Albertsons, which is like Vaughn's, Pavilions, Publix type of thing. And I found them. They're so overpriced, but they are so precious. Her name is Eleanor and his name is Riley, and they are so cute. They remind me of little Teddy Grahams, and I love them so much. I'm obsessed, and they live happily ever after on my bed. This is the next thing that is right next to my bed. Honestly, you guys, it's really random that it's here, but there is no other place for me to put this mirror. I got this mirror on sale from Walmart. Such a steal, such a great find. I love it, and it has like a little standing clasp thing in the back, so you could put it like this or hang it, I believe, on the wall. Mine is right here. The lighting is only good here. I have one window in this room, and I just need it here for the best lighting. I don't really photograph too much like I would like to, just because like my bed is right there, so in all of my pictures I take them like this, then you see like this part. But sorry guys, if you are looking for an inexpensive, amazing quality mirror, please check out Walmart. It is so good, and she's just like a oval frame with black on the outline, and I absolutely love it. This clothing rack is from Target. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit on it. It is literally the most simple, basic, inexpensive $8, I think maybe $9, and it's just so helpful, you guys. It saves me so much space, and whether I hang up new clothes that I want to take pictures in, it's constantly in a rotation between those, and I need to always have clothes on this because I cannot stuff anymore in my closet. But right underneath I have some of my sneakers. I just decided to display my Jordans. I do not wear my Jordans. If you guys remember, I was in a phase of being a sneakerhead. Although I'm not anymore, they were way too expensive to just shove in my closet, and they're at least kind of cool and pretty. I really want to sell my, I call them my matchas, but that's not what they're called. I think they're called like Dutch green or something. Those green ones, I really want to sell them. But those two, the Obsidians and Bloodlines, I really think I should keep them for my future daughter. I feel like she would just thank me so much if I just kept her my ones. So they're just there kind of on display right now. Right next to the clothing rack is my desk. I am obsessed with this space. The desk is from Amazon. I get so many questions about this desk because it's just so beautiful. It's acrylic, can go anywhere. It can be an entryway table. It's just great, and it's so universal and modern. I love how sleek it looks. Like I said, it's from Amazon. It came already built, which was even better. And the little chair that I have paired with it is a rolly chair or spinny chair from Target. I have my diffuser that is also from Target, my iPad stand from Amazon. My phone's just hanging there right now. I have my calendar that I plan out everything. My name tag for work is randomly there. My favorite photo of Spencer and I, we took this in a photo booth down in San Francisco, and I love it so much, so I decided to frame it. And then I have some flowers. I think that frame is from like a TJ Maxx, Marshalls type of situation. I've had that frame for years. Next thing we have is this little corner that I still really haven't touched because I don't know what to do with it, you guys. So if you have any suggestions, please let me know. I definitely want to get some artwork maybe instead and move my cross somewhere else. But I just have my cross right there, and then I have this little bar table kind of, and it's from Target. It used to be my nightstand, but I replaced that and put my mirror there just because if I faced my mirror here, the lighting would be bad because I'm going opposite of the window. But I just have my other matching lamp from IKEA. I have a candle. I have my water bottle. And then I have some of my journals, my books, my vintage Polaroid camera that I thrifted, and that's just kind of like a little, I don't know, it's like a little entry table, I guess, but that actually leads into my bathroom, which I guess I could show you guys really quick. I have this little mirror that is from Target. I have all my jewelry, my makeup brushes, my makeup bags. I have skincare, hair care, all that wonderful stuff on these acrylic shelves from Amazon. I feel like these were so popular on TikTok a while ago that literally if you don't have them, like, this is your sign to go get them. They do look gorgeous and they're so convenient, and I just love how all my stuff is right there for me. Then I have this little shelf with my hanging plant, a little basket with some face towels, and then a little jar, and then that is my showers. I will do my best to give you guys like a full look of my room, but that is it, you guys. It has changed so much since my last room tour, but I had to show you guys because, you know, I love showing you guys my room, and who knows, maybe I'll add some things and I will film another one. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. I feel like I never say that at the end of my videos, but now I'm really asking you guys to subscribe because we are so close to 10,000 of us, and I cannot express my gratitude enough or be any more excited than I already am. So thank you so much to every single one of you guys who supports me, watches my videos, and I just seriously am so excited to keep filming for you guys, continue growing together and sharing everything and more. So if you want to see more of me, don't forget to check out the links in my description box. I have my TikTok, my Amazon, my Instagram, and I love you guys so much. See you guys in next week's video.